Welcome back to Maddie English Practice. I'm Maddie.
And I'm Jules. Today, we are looking at a word that is all about being perfectly clear, but it also has a very common second meaning that you will see on the internet and music apps all the time.
A second meaning on the internet? Okay, what is the word today?
The word is explicit.
Explicit. Yes, this is a very important word for communication and for navigating modern media.
For our English learners, the main meaning of explicit is when something is stated so clearly and with so much detail that it is absolutely impossible to be confused.
Exactly. It means there's no guessing. Let's look at a real scenario. Imagine you are leaving your house for the weekend and you ask your teenager to clean the kitchen.
Oh, teenagers. If you just say clean the kitchen, they might just put one dirty plate in the sink and say they are completely finished.
Exactly. That instruction was too vague. So instead, you give them explicit instructions.
You look right at them and say, I want the dishes washed, the floor swept, and the trash taken outside before 5 o'clock.
Perfect. Those instructions are explicit. They are detailed, clear, and leave absolutely zero room for confusion or arguments later.
But there is a second way we use this word, and English learners really need to know about it. You will see it on music apps like Spotify or before a movie starts.
Ah, yes, the little letter E next to a song title.
Right. In music, movies, and podcasts, explicit content means the media contains bad words, strong language, or adult themes. It's a warning label.
Definitely. If you are driving your car with young children in the back seat, you absolutely do not want to play a song that has an explicit label on it.
Exactly. So if you see that word on a podcast or an album cover, it means it is not for kids.
So, to recap for our learners, explicit means perfectly clear and detailed, or it serves as an adult warning label on media.
Your homework for today: think of a time when someone gave you very confusing instructions at work. What explicit details should they have given you instead? Practice stating those clear instructions out loud in English.
Being explicit when you give directions is the best way to avoid mistakes and miscommunication.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing.
Be explicit with your goals. See you next time on Maddie English Practice.